CTECH is a dynamic collaboration between our students, RPS, RCTC, and our community.
CTECH is a place where kids can explore career options. All three high schools converge onto the RCTC campus.
Our classes are really career focused, and we're preparing our students for pretty specific careers.
With lots of teachers who have extensive experience in the industry, and bring that experience to the classrooms so that students will be far more prepared for the actual environments that they're going to encounter.
It really prepares students for that post-secondary, whether it's straight to the workforce or whether it's to a post-secondary institution.
Still own my own construction company. It's mainly residential. What's important is to bring the needs of that industry, have the kids ready for that. And knowing the needs of that industry is pretty crucial.
I was a technical program manager and a software development manager at Amazon for about 20 years. Having that experience in our back pocket enables us to support students who want to take advantage of what I call BHAGs, big, hairy, audacious goals, something we tried for all the time at Amazon. So with that experience, we understand how to navigate ambiguity when you're trying to do something new and different.
With my veterinary students, they are getting to work on live animals, and they are getting to really hone their skills on how to become a veterinarian, and finding their career path and finding their passion is really a favorite of mine. And then them coming back years later of saying, yes, like this is exactly what we needed to do.
The competitive advantage, because we are a hands-on school, gives our kids a one-up on their counterparts.
You get the on-hands experience, and you get to go into classrooms and be with kids, and you listen to each other and you talk a lot. I like coming here and, seeing people from other schools that I don't get to see at my school as well.
Very welcoming. RCTC and CTECH and doing all this is very welcoming.
So again, we're not grabbing the animal, right? We are lightly touching with our fingers so we can feel. And
you sign up for CTECH just like you do at your high schools. So the first thing that the students do, they'll go to their school counselor and they'll help them through that process.
In my class, kids discover if they really truly have the passion for teaching, if that's what they want to pursue. It also helps kids who figure out that maybe teaching is not the path for them.
We want to give you the opportunity to explore what these programs are all about. And if you don't like it, wonderful. It didn't cost you anything. Gave you a chance to see, something that you can take home.
After I told my mom I was taking that class, she was, if you get the chance, go ahead, take it. You don't want to regret stuff like that. You can learn a lot from those things, even just in regular life.
I'd definitely say it's a little, scary at the beginning. Coming into CTECH the first day, I was really nervous of where to go and stuff, but it was super explaining. Everyone met in one spot and they told you where to go and stuff, and it's just, you got to take that step. It's a little scary, but it's a really good experience and it's so fun, and it's I want to take this next semester too because I enjoy it so much.